Guys, it's Wairimu here from Wairimu Eats, and your girl is back with another interesting video. I am sorry I'm doing the intro in school and I have my uniform with me. It's cause the intro that I done ilipotea ama ilidelete or something happened. But anyway, this is an introduction to the house hunting video that I'm going to show you guys. I went house hunting because I changed my school, so I had to house hunt in a different location. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, and as always, hit the subscribe button cause we're on the road to 6k subscribers. And if you're not joining the family, what are you waiting for? What? But anyway, enjoy and I hope you love it. Anyway, peace. Hey guys, this is the first studio we visited in South B, and it was very spacious. It was big, lakini manyumba za South B prices. Oh my god, you're going to hear about this house price at the end of this video. The lighting was so good. As you can see, it has 2 windows. The kitchen is in the sitting room, good size because there's a good counter space. As you can see, there's wardrobe spaces for you to put your thing. This is that they called cabinets or what. The bathroom was okay. Kuna heater. There is a sink over there. The size is moderate for a student especially. But now this studio had a bedroom. I don't know why it's called a studio, or is it a 1 bedroom, but he says it's a studio, so we say it's studios too. So it had 2 windows on that side, as you can see, so the lighting is actually quite good. But this was the house on the 1st floor, so I'm sure houses on the upper floors have better lighting. You know how it works. It had the wardrobes that are well fitted. It even had a mirror, as you can see right over here. So this house was just perfect, and the wardrobes are well fitted, as you can see. I loved everything about it. The size was good, but the price, my friend, this house was going for 20,000 Kenyan shillings. I don't know if it's a studio or a 1 bedroom, but the guy said it's a studio. So this studio goes for 20,000 Kenyan shillings. I loved it. I loved the space, but price a student tricky, you know what I mean. Water comes every day, like kuna maji 24 hours. See, you know, mashida za Nairobi na water regulation, but this house had water 24/7. The wardrobes were well fitted, very clean. It's not a new building, so I think it was quite clean for the venye ilikuwa inakaa, you get it, because kuna houses that are not well kept, but this one was good. Everything was well placed, like nothing was broken or anything. So I loved the house. If you want the details to this house, please let me know in the comment section down below. I think I still have the number of the soldier at the gate, so you can let me know and I will hook you up with him. 20,000 for this studio apartment, but for the price, no girl, let's go to the next one. Cars. Sasa tuko kwa bedsitter. Achana sana studio. No, this is a bedsitter. It's a new building. As you can see, everything is clean and well fitted, and I loved the well fitted tiles and everything. The price was better, much better. And another point that was giving me I want to go to this house is that it was a walking distance to my school. Like, you don't need to have to use transport or anything. My school is in South C, the house is in South B, but walking distance to the school. You get it? This house was going for 15,000 Kenya shillings, 5k less than the other one, but now this one has no cabinets and no wardrobes, as you have seen. It kuna maji 24 hours. That's a very big tick, especially in Nairobi County. You know how it goes. As you can see, kuna water apple, and then you provide with you a hot shower, so you don't have to bring your own. You know, there are places you have to bring your own shower. The well fitted tiles, perfect. Everything was good, but my only disadvantage of the house was that it had no cabinets or no wardrobe, so you're supposed to bring your storage stuff. The size of the house was perfect. It was big enough. You can even put 2 beds or even 4. You can put a bed, a couch, a TV. It was so big. The phone is not doing justice to this nini. But anyway, this was going for 15,000 Kenya shillings. I loved it. But you can't settle for the first one. You see, you have to go on with the search. So baby, let's get to the next one. We are on to the third house we went in South B. The location was good, but I can't even remember how to get to this place because it was quite tuko ndani. But this is another studio apartment. There's a difference between studios and beds. I just come to know in South B. But the house was so big. Like, it was big. As you can see, there's a big window that the lighting inaingia vizuri. The house was iko kwa rooftop. So the nini was good, the lighting was good. But now there's a bedroom here with no door. I don't know if it's an extension with these studios. Hey, you guys. But anyway, this is a bedroom because I don't know, this is a one bedroom, let's say, because I don't know how it's a studio. They have cabinets, as you can see, but they're not closed. But as long as they're cabinets, there's a place to put your clothes. That's very good. And the house was so big. Like, this house is big. As you can see here, you have your bathroom, very well fitted. It's not a new building, so it was quite good. It was okay. I had no problem with it. And the kitchen was okay. It was okay. Like, I don't know. What do you think? What do you think about this kitchen? The number 3 house visitor. What do you think about this kitchen? The cabinets were good. I loved. It was okay. I was thinking it was okay. Yes, but you have to bring like a mesa of something to put your things, you get. And then the balcony iko kwa rooftop. That's why it's okay. This is my brother. Oh god. But anyway, this is a balcony that you're given to wash your clothes and everything, so you can see the view of South B over there. And I love this house. I loved it. And it was going for 19,000 Kenyan shillings. Hope hujachoka bado. But anyway, we're on to the next bed sitter. Saizi tuko kwa bed sitter. As you can see, very beautiful. Like, I love the nude of the house. Like, there's a nude theme going on. There's a mirror kept for that for you because it's important to look at yourself every morning. And then the floor was big. Like, this house was big. You know what I mean by big, like bed, you need to have seats. Like, it was that big. Kuna hot shower provided for you in this house, so you don't have to bring your own. And then there's this pole, like you're supposed to put a divider or something, I don't know how they're called, to divide your toilet from your shower. And that was really nice. I love that about the house. Even the flooring was different. One was higher and one was lower to divide the toilet from the shower. You get it. And then the tiles were well done. As you can see, that's what I was saying about the floor and everything. And now let me show you the wardrobe. So you put your clothes, and you have to put your clothes somewhere. Now this is a place to put your clothes. There's a wardrobe enough size, but it's an open wardrobe. But I think there's even a place to put your things down. But now it connects to the kitchen. This was disturbing for me, especially. It was too close to the wardrobe, but there's no problem. You have to work with whatever the landlord did. Yes, it was good. But now we were done with South B. We wanted to go to another place called Imara Daima. And this is the first house visited in Imara. The prices were lower, but not so low. This is the kitchen, as you can see, good size. I love the fact that it's divided. Nika iko na section kake. You get it? Like, that makes the house very well and easy to manage. The size was good. You can put a bed and even a space to get a couch in there. And there's a discuss place, like a washroom area, like a sink. You get it? That was so nice. I loved the thinking behind that. This is a toilet, moderate size, can't complain about it, but you have to bring your own hot shower. And now to the next one in Imara. The other house was 12,000. This one was 11,150. Now this house, good size, loved it. The bathroom was okay, well fitted, but almost the same concept to the other one. But this one is cheaper in the same location. You get it? The other one was 12,000. This one was 11,150. I don't know your 150, but he said don't pay for your garbage, so I think it's that. Kuna open cabinets over there, so that's good. You're given a space to put your things. Closed cabinets at the bottom. The house size was good. The lighting, it had 2 windows, so the lighting was much better. And it was a good house. Yes, I loved it. Now to the next one. This house was going for 9,000 Kenyan shillings in Imara Daima. Lighting, good. There's spaces to put. There's a kitchen area, well thought of, good size. And I love the size of the house, but ilikuwa kwa corner, that's why the shape. But now it's a terrazzo flooring or something. I don't know if that's the right name, Terrazzo, and it was going for 9,000, but ilikuwa na huko mwisho, Imara huko mwisho. So with the school distance, it was quite far, but 9,000. You have to go farther to get the house at a cheaper price. This is a bathroom, small but okay, like you can fit in there. I mean, I'm so small, like I can shower and yeah. It was a good size, but now they're the best for last. So I hope you're not tired, because this house will make your mind go. You can see from the window the details. Oh my god, kuna hadi lift, security perfect. I mean, good security, like uptight security. No one can just mess around with you. And then the detailing, the size was big, like the wardrobes well, this is what we mean by well fitted wardrobes. Mtu amefanya kazi safi. Hii inaitwa kazi safi, you know. Let's see the inside. Good work. Like, this house was just, I like, even it's too soon pesa, because it's going for 16,000 Kenya shillings, and I'm a student. My mom, she can't allow. And look at that kitchen. Look at that kitchen. Look at that. And this is a studio. This is not me. This is a studio. I know. This is a studio. Like, the kitchen was big, especially for content creation. I loved. Ile nitaanza kujilipia rent, this is the place I will go to. And then the ilikuwa place, like the stage is there, so you just pick up, like you don't struggle, like soft life. But anyway, I loved it. There's a mirror over there. Then oh my god, beautiful washroom, beautiful. You can see the details. Do have to explain a lot about this house. And as I said, going for 16,000, it was the only unit available, so I'm sure by now imeisha. But if you want the contacts, let me know. And then look at the outside, well thought of. Hey guys, I am here to end the video. I know I've been left in class alone, but I had singewacha bila outro. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and as always, if you do, give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. You're on the road to 6k, like zimba kitu kidogo tufike 6k, so hit the subscribe button, and then let's get to 6k. And yes, and a lot of content is coming your way, so keep kwa chonjo tu. And I'll be dropping new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. I'm sorry it took time kushikanisha the tempo of the school, but now I think I'm good. So I'll be dropping a lot of 2 videos per week at least for you guys. So I'm very excited for this new journey. I hope you are too. And if you did not watch my previous video so that you can understand what's going on, why is this girl is out of Georgia again, please go watch it so that you don't float. And I'm so glad you guys have loved this video. And I am sorry I will have to end this video here, but don't worry, you will definitely see me in the next one. But for this one, it's a wrap. Peace.